You can reach 4,000 watch hours within 30 days if you know the 3 things below. Anyone building a YouTube channel who already has 1,000 subs but is still struggling to hit 4,000 watch hours, watch this video to the end to see whether your channel has optimized these 3 things yet. First, remember this for me, the 4,000 watch hours only count for public videos. Private, unlisted, deleted videos, or even watch time gained from paid ads will not be counted. Besides the subscriber and watch hour requirements, your channel must not violate policies, must have 2-step verification enabled, and must be successfully linked to a Google AdSense account before you can turn on YouTube monetization. So why hasn't your channel reached 4,000 watch hours yet? First, let's see how YouTube evaluates whether a video is effective. Every day, hundreds or thousands of new YouTube channels are created, and YouTube uses bots to scan for accounts spamming channel creation or video uploads. Those channels' videos will be limited in recommendations. There are 4 factors YouTube evaluates. First is click-through rate, or CTR, to see how many clicks your video gets. This mainly depends on whether your thumbnail and title are compelling. Second is watch time, which reflects whether your content is engaging enough. This is also the most important factor that directly impacts your channel's total watch hours. The third factor is engagement, whether your video gets many likes, shares, and comments. And finally, session time. After watching your video, do viewers continue clicking to watch other videos on your channel, or do they leave? From these factors, we can list the common mistakes many of you are making as follows. First is not optimizing titles and content. An ideal CTR should be around 6 to 8%. If CTR less than 4%, change to a more standout thumbnail and optimize your title to be more compelling. For thumbnails, you can reference ready-made templates on Canva and then customize them to fit your content. Avoid using thumbnails generated 100% by AI. You can use AI to generate an image and then use that image in your thumbnail. The second issue is making content that's too short. If you aim to make shorts to chase 10 million views, short content is okay. But if you focus on long-form videos to get 4,000 watch hours, making 3 to 5 minute videos makes it very hard to reach 4,000 hours because the total watch time is too low. For example, if you make a 5-minute video with 30% retention, then 30% of 5 minutes equals 1.5 minutes, which is about 0.025 hours. If that video gets 1,000 views, the channel gains 1,000 by 0.025 hours equals 25 watch hours. To reach 4,000 watch hours, you would need up to 160 videos, each with at least 1,000 views. With the same amount of effort, instead of making lots of short videos, you should focus on longer videos with higher quality content. So how do you create quality content? This is what many of you are trying to solve, and it's also the third common reason. Researching and choosing content that's good and easy to go viral is a tough puzzle, no matter your niche. Honestly, I don't have any secret tips for you, other than making more, learning from competitors and big creators, and then creating content that's uniquely yours. One note for AI content creators: YouTube will not approve monetization for content that is 100% AI. You must include original creativity. Next, many of you aren't leveraging playlists. If viewers finish video A and you don't lead them to video B, they'll leave the channel right after watching, which shortens the watch session and YouTube won't recommend more videos from your channel. So how do you help your channel reach 4,000 watch hours as fast as possible? Here are 3 methods you can apply right away. First, focus on creating high-value content. It's not that making long videos will automatically increase watch time while short videos won't be effective. Whether you make short or long content depends on the niche you choose and how you execute the content. For short videos under 5 minutes, focus on concise explanations or presentations, combined with fast-paced editing like the channel's Source or Easy Peasy. Both channels cover gym and fitness. Instead of explaining why you should work out or compiling exercise lists, they take a how approach, how to do it, giving brief explanations of techniques and methods. They use illustrative images and anime clips, add subtitles, and keep a quick rhythm. If you want to make this style, pay close attention to editing, use lots of images and clips, and switch scenes every 3 to 5 seconds so viewers don't get bored. Next, for longer videos around 10 to 20 minutes, these are often compilation and explanatory videos. For example, the channel Professor Wild Gang introduces animal groups, explaining hunting methods, behaviors, and so on. With this type of content, if you want to extend watch time, you can make a long list or split it into a series, both are okay. Similar to Professor Wildfang, these channels also make explanatory videos, but with longer durations of about 20 to 30 minutes. As for 1 to 2 hour videos, they are mainly storytelling. To make this kind of content, you need to prepare a script and long-form sources of images and video. Personally, I think this format isn't necessarily hard but very time-consuming. For newbies, writing a script and editing a 1 to 2 hour video can even take 1 to 2 weeks. In short, video length matters less than the content itself. Whether short or long, as long as the content is engaging, the video can go viral. One tip you can consider is to look at how competitors in your niche are creating content and apply that approach for yourself. Next, create playlists to group videos on the same topic. The great thing about playlists is that when a user finishes one video, YouTube will automatically play the next video in that playlist. The third method is to optimize your opening hooks to extend retention. If your retention is below 20%, adjust the intro and add stronger hooks at the start. In addition, here are some editing tips to avoid boredom and improve retention. First, use clear images or illustrative footage that closely matches the original content. Absolutely do not use copyrighted videos or images with logos. If there's a logo, crop it out or cover it. Next, use suitable transition effects. If you're making a slideshow-style video, switch to a new image every 8 to 10 seconds. Ideally, don't leave one image on screen too long, as it can bore viewers. Also, you can leverage shorts to drive views and subs for your channel by cutting 15 to 30-second highlights from long videos, editing them into shorts, then linking to the playlist or the long video in the comments or description. If a short goes viral, your long videos on the channel can get recommended alongside it. These are 3 methods you can apply immediately to help your channel reach 4,000 watch hours as fast as possible. If you have any questions, drop a comment below so we can discuss. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming videos. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in the next video.